Hi, today we're going to learn how to solve literal equations. So first our bell work, we have these absolute value equations. Nothing is on the outside of the absolute values. So now we know this part we have inside, we're okay with it equaling 11. And we're also okay with it equaling negative 11 because the absolute value of negative 11 is 11. And then you just add 1 to both sides, divide by 2, and you'll get 2 different answers here. Now this one, we have the absolute value of something equals negative 18. This one's not possible. There is no number we could plug in here, then take the absolute value and get a negative answer. Just not possible. Our goal today, I can solve literal equations. Be careful, your answer will not be a single number. The letters are literally the answer. So it's not going to be like x equals 5 or y equals 7 or something. You'll see. So for example, solve for x. Our goal is to get x by itself, so we have to get rid of a plus y. What's the opposite of a plus y? Minus y on both sides of the equal sign. Y minus y is 0. We have x equals z minus y. They are not like terms. We cannot combine them. So our answer is literally z minus y. That's the answer when we solved for x. Solve for x. Our goal is to get x by itself. We have this invisible multiplication sign. The opposite of multiplying is dividing, so we have to divide by y on both sides of the equal sign. Y divided by y is 1. 1 times x is x. Z divided by y, they're not like terms. We can't do anything with that, so we literally have x equals z divided by y. Okay, much trickier. This is like a two-step equation. So here's the x we're trying to get by itself. In the car with your best friend and a stranger, we get rid of the stranger first. Subtract y on both sides of the equal sign. Wx equals z minus y, because we can't combine them, they're not like terms. And then divide by w. We have to divide everything by w. X equals, and we can't combine anything here, so literally z minus y all divided by w is the answer. Okay. Solve for x, but now I've got numbers and letters. But my goal is to solve for x, so let's subtract 6 on both sides of the equal sign. Y minus 6 are not like terms. I cannot combine them, so it's just y minus 6 equals 3x. Divide both sides by 3. Everything gets divided over here. And I can either leave it like this or split it into parts. So this would be a correct answer, yes. Also, I could split it up y over 3 minus, and then 6 over 3 is 2. So they both look weird, but those are both correct ways to simplify that. Okay, in your notebook, page 45, working with your team, you get to choose 6 equations to solve, literal equations to solve. If you want to look at the answers, go to Canvas and find the notebook on Canvas. It has the answers. Then some Alex homework and our exit ticket. Solve for A. This is a simple one. Just subtract B on both sides, and we get A equals literally C minus B, because we can't combine them. Solve for A. First, we get rid of C. So we have AB equals D minus C. Then divide both sides by B, and your answer is literally D minus C all divided by B. That is an introduction to solving literal equations. You got this.